Hey guys, it is delivery day. You know what that means. Lots of goodies for me. This is like huge bonus to selling Epicure. I get so many free and half price items. It's like ridiculous. Like I think I'm gonna eat for free for the rest of the year. So I just wanted to share what my next delivery was. I don't even remember everything that I ordered, so it's like Christmas when I get these. I love it. So let's get started. Okay, we got a big box here. And it's dang heavy. I ordered the muffin tins, and it's so funny because I was just looking at my carrot cake and looking at the recipe and looking at some tweaks that people did to it, and they were talking about making it in the muffin tin. I might do that this weekend. There's that. Of course, you know how I love this tool, my 4-in-1. I needed another one. I might give one away as a prize. So that's why I ordered it. Hint, hint. Hashtag June giveaway. If you don't know about the June giveaway, go look at my announcement post for June. You want to get in on it. It's huge. It's a huge giveaway. Oh yeah. This was this is like one of my new favorite things that I didn't know I liked. So this is our roll-up rack. So I had to order another one. So I have one that I use here in the kitchen, and we went camping last weekend, and I have an epic kitchen. I have very big, I have lots of counter space, so I kind of really don't need this in my kitchen, but I like to have it. I like to use it when I do my shows and be able to do everything right here, and I do put it over the sink so I have extra space. But for those of you who camp, you know in a camper that your space is limited. So I wanted to get another one that I could put in the camper and just leave there because that will give me some extra space. So bonus. What's that? I think this is a lot of spices and yummy things that I ordered. Oh yeah. Oh wow, man, that's a lot. Like this thing is full. So let's see what all I got. Ooh, yay, the mango. I have not tried this yet, so I'm super excited to try this mango mix. That's gonna be yummy. Oh, Canada. I'm sorry, I won't do that again. Yes, red pepper jelly. This must come in this. I've got the summer collection. Yes, I did. I got the summer collection at half price. Love it. Some more Tuscan burger. We've had that. We really love that. West Coast burger. We love that. So I had to get some more. Some pesto. And two pestos. I wonder why I got 2 pestos. Oh yes, Tutti Frutti. Okay, I've been wanting to try this also. I know I made a post about the summer berry, but I wanted to try the Tutti Frutti. Ooh, can't wait to try that. That's gonna be good. Teriyaki, we had that, that's yummy. Montreal steak, super yummy too, had to get that. Oh yeah, my butcher block grinder. Nice, this is new, I haven't tried this one yet. I've heard a lot of good reviews on it. And so I am super excited to use the butcher block. This is sea salt, spices, black pepper, mustard seed, garlic, onion, herb, and tomato. Nice. Also on our grinders, you can just order refills. So you don't have to order the whole new grinder every time. I thought that's kind of cool. Everything bagel. We love this. And this is so much better for you than the one that's in the store. Like if you look at the sodium content, so sodium on here is 0. So check yours. If you have an everything bagel seasoning topper that you use, check it. Put it in the comments. Tell me what your sodium is. Epicure is 0. That's bonus. Okay, let's see what the next one is. I love getting these packages. Like, I get so much stuff. It's just, it's incredible. Okay. Whoop. Oh, souvlaki. We're gonna do some Greek. I have not tried this one yet, so I'm gonna be excited to try this one. I'll have to do a video, make something Greek. SPG, yes, very nice. Salt, pepper, garlic, yum yum. Excellent. Red garlic. I think this is like my 3rd jar. This is like another one of my favorites, kind of like that feisty green that I didn't think I would like, but I love. This is so good. It's just like some garlic with the sweet red peppers. What else is in here? The red bell peppers, organic apple cider vinegar, onions, hibiscus herbs, spices. Yeah, so that just has a nice flavor. It adds a nice flavor. That's how much I like it. I got 2. Okay, so that's everything in that one. Got one more. All right, let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, this was new. This is just for June, you guys. A sesame crunch. This is really good, like on like your salads, potato salads. Put it on a stir fry. Let's see, what do they got on here? Put it on coleslaw, noodle salads, on your veggies, your skewers, your seafood, your sushi, teriyaki chicken, beef, like, oh, yum. I can't wait to try this. So it's sesame seeds, green and red bell peppers, carrots, and onions. That's it, 0 sodium. Like, I just have to open it and smell it. Oh gosh, that's gonna be so good. See if you can see, like, it's kind of blurry there. Like, look at that. That is just gonna be so yummy. Okay, so I got that. Another teriyaki, so you can tell which ones we like. Another teriyaki, a couple of those. I might have to put one of those in the June giveaway. Hashtag June giveaway. Chili flakes and garlic. We haven't tried this one yet. This is new for us. 0 sodium, love that. It's garlic, chilies, herbs. And so I actually got this one for my husband and my dad because I feel like chili flakes, that's that, like the little hot pepper, like those pepper flakes. That's gonna be too hot for me. So they're gonna love that. Barbecue, chicken, and ribs. So this you can use as a dry rub or a wet rub. You can also make a sweet and spicy barbecue. There's like so many other things you can use this for. This is super yummy. This is our 2nd bottle of that one. I got another sesame crunch. Because I know I'm gonna love this. Like I'm just gonna put this on my salads and veggies and everything. I know it's gonna be good. It's another barbecue chicken rub. Another SPG. Salt, pepper, garlic. Oh my gosh. Another red garlic. I love the red garlic. Ooh, yeah, chipotle aioli. This is a chipotle aioli mix. We haven't tried this one yet. We're gonna try that one. Big burger. Yes. So this is the secret sauce, you know that place that has the secret sauce on their burgers? This is how you make secret sauce. Yum. Super excited. I hope I got 2 of those. Oh yeah, I did get 2 of those. Yummy, yummy. Okay, that's it for that box. Holy Moses. Let me see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 seasonings, spices, and 1 jelly. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what I got in this box. Oh, yes. Teas, our summer teas. Oh yeah, where did that mango go? Yeah, see, I'm super excited. Who wants to try a tea? There's 20 packs. There's 20 tea bags in here. And let's say the first few people who comment who want to try. I will send you one. Let me know. Okay. Oh my Lord. This is like all meal solutions. You guys. Another easy peasy taco for those of you vegetarian, or for those of you who go camping and want to cut out your meat in your refrigerator space. This is made from pea protein. This is absolutely incredible. All you do, you stick it in a bowl with some water, let it hydrate. I think it's like 15 minutes to let it hydrate. And then you fry it up in a pan or in the multi-purpose steamer, cook it up. It tastes just like taco meat. It's got seasoning, everything in there, and it is pea protein. Pea protein, chili powder, amazing, absolutely amazing. This one's really good too. This is our jalapeno cornbread. Cheddar and jalapeno cornbread. A little tip. I did not know this before. I'm learning as I go. A little tip. Anything that is like our baking stuff, like our desserts, or that have the gluten-free flour or whatever product, when you mix them up, they turn out better if you let them sit for 20 to 30 minutes before you cook, because the gluten-free stuff just needs that time to activate, is what I'm told. So anyway, on a side note, that little tip, this is really yummy. Good cornbread. Smoking barbecue. This stuff is really good. Well, I must really like it because I got a bunch of those. Oh, Mullen Minutes. This is, I think this is in the June. This is in the June Hostess special. So it's 3 weeks of meals. Like if you have if you host a party in June, 3 weeks of meals for $30. What is this stuff? Mullen Minutes. I'm gonna have to do some research because this girl does not know what this is. So if somebody knows what this is, I mean, obviously I'm gonna look it up and figure it out what it is, but they have it on a taco shell, so it must be good. If you know what Mullen Minutes is, put it in the comments. Save me some time, because I got a bunch of those. Got some more baked beans, super yummy. Rotisserie chicken, this is really good. If you didn't see my video of it was actually a little quick clip that I did. I put one of these seasoning packets in a baggie with my cut up veggies and some cut up chicken and just a little bit of oil, like 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil in there. I shook it up in the baggie, popped on the skewers, put it on the grill. Oh, really good. That was good. So there's that. Got a bunch of Asian dishes here. I got some meatloaf. Here's one of my other favorites, the lettuce wraps. That's really yummy. I got quite a few of those. That's because I really like them. And we got some taco seasoning. Love that. Okay, got some chicken tandoori with curry. Love the queso. Ooey gooey queso is so yummy. Got some more pulled chicken. This is really, really good. Yes, lots of those. I swear to God, I have dinner for the whole year. Butter chicken, you know, I'm gonna try this weekend. I was reading somebody else did a recipe of this butter chicken. They took took a pound of ground beef and mixed this in with the ground beef and made burger patties. they said it was really good. So I'm gonna try that one. General Tao. Some more Dawn Air. I got a bunch of these. Anybody like those? Euros. I'm not the biggest fan. I ate it when I cooked them, but they're okay. But my dad and my husband love them. Some Sloppy Joes. It's so easy. Like, for all you people who get in your meal ruts, like, what's for dinner? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? I'm telling you, Epicure makes it so easy. Southern Bake. This is like, you know, Epicure's version of Shake and Bake. Speaking of which, go check your Shake and Bake. Who uses Shake and Bake? If you use Shake and Bake, go check your label and tell me in the comments what your sodium is. The sodium here is 250 milligram. So go tell me what your Shake and Bake is. I would guess probably about 3 times as much. So I got a bunch of those. Yes. Yes. This is the one. This was the one that was only available in the summer collection and just came out on Thursday. Now available for single orders. I think it comes in a pack of 2. And I'm making this weekend. No bake citrus lime cheesecake. Yum. That sounds yummy. Beef and broccoli stir fry, super yummy. Excellent to put on rice. Alfredo's always good. And mac and cheese, always the staple. Oh, got another Southern Bake here. Holy Moses. I don't even know how many that is, but that was a lot. Like literally more than a year, the rest of the year. Okay, that means I'm gonna be doing some more giveaways because I just want you guys to try it. I want you guys to try this stuff. So put in the comments, like, what meal solution did you see that you would like to try? And maybe I can add some to some drawings and give some of these away. Maybe some of these seasonings too. Like, there's no possible way for me to go through all this stuff. So I am happy to share because why not? It's good stuff. And if I can help somebody with their dinner time dilemma, then that makes me happy. So real food, good food, real fast, but it is real food also. We can take you raw to ready in less than 20 minutes. Real quick, June specials for Hostess, you guys. Double rewards. I still have a couple days open. I can do a virtual party for you. Super easy. I create the group, you invite the friends, and I do the rest. We have a party and you can get double free stuff. Plus I can give you an extra $20 free credit. Plus they have the 3 weeks dinner solutions for like 30 bucks. So that's like 40% off. So plus you can also earn like 50% off things. So if anybody's interested, put party in the comments. Or if you want to get a bunch of free stuff like I do, come join my team. This is so easy to do. You guys see how I do this. This is so easy. I've never done direct sales before in my entire life. Never imagined I would do this. It's so easy. And I get all this free stuff and all I have to do is cook dinner for my family. And the cooking is so easy. Like those of you who know me know that I hate cooking. I'm not a foodie and I don't like cooking. And here I am selling food and cooking. So anyway, it's only $99 to join. It's super easy to get your kit. And if you decide you don't like it, eat your kit. It's food. I'm just kidding. I know you're gonna like it. But you can earn your kit back. I earned mine back. I got reimbursed for my kit because if you have enough sales within the first 2 months, they reimburse you. They're all about helping you succeed. And so I just did this with zero investment and now I still get all this free stuff. Win-win. Who wants to join me? Say join me in the comments. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend. It's super hot here. It's like 110 degrees. So I'm staying inside for right now. Probably go outside and catch a little dip in the pool later today. And tell me in the comments what you guys are doing this weekend. All right, if I make some goodies, I'll share them. Bye-bye.